Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Joshua. Today we are going to be doing another snack crate. So let's see what it is. See it there?
What is it?
It is Poland. Hello, Poland.
Okay.
And then it's like a little bit a book that has some of the treats in it and a little bit of facts. Yeah, all the snacks out. So what?
Show them as you.
First we have these like Cheetos. Then we have these Lay's, which I think might be a little bit spicy.
These say
Paprika.
cheese with ketchup.
Huh. That's weird.
I think we've had Poland before. Paprika chips. Because I
Do you
remember
remember?
that.
What was that?
I think this is like a ginger cookie.
It's called a Malega.
It's
Malego.
the shape of a heart though, so perfect for Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Here's the Krakoa. I don't know if I said that right. Wowell.
Krakoa. Cool.
And then we have the Prince Polo, which kind of looks like a chocolate bar. I don't think I would like this.
Yeah, those look like some cakes.
It looks like it.
All right, what do you want to start with?
They're called Katarikini. I don't know how to say it. But let's see.
Well, the first thing in the little menu here is the paprika chips.
So we should do the paprika chips.
The famous Lay's crisp we all love, flavored with the perfect blend of savory, smoky paprika flavor. So that sounds to me like a barbecue.
Probably.
It smells just like barbecue. Oh, yeah, you're gonna love that.
It tastes like exactly like Lay's barbecue chips. A little bit spicier though.
A little more garlic. All right.
I'll read this one. The chocolate bar. This famous Polish chocolate bar featuring luscious caramel coated in milk chocolate will have you screaming, "Holy cow!"
So it's caramel and chocolate.
I think I don't agree with the "holy cow" bit, but
Oh, it smells really good.
you smell it?
Oh, it's in little pieces too.
Kind of like Hershey's a little bit.
Oh,
shh!
I'll drop the whole thing on the floor. That's not what I expected.
Our dog will get it inside. It looks like there's a little bit of vanilla inside of it. Oh, it does smell like. It kind of smells like Hershey's a little bit.
It smells like vanilla and caramel.
I like it.
Mm.
God, you didn't drop it on the floor because our dog would get it.
That's good.
Very good. Next one.
We didn't rate the first things. Let's go back.
Oh yeah,
Rate the chips.
the Lay's paprika.
On, let's see. What are these? Poppies? What's like their famous thing? You can see.
You see?
How many? You know Polish is the most difficult language?
No. Did you know the Polish alphabet has 32 letters in it? And 9 of which have.
Okay, so it sounds like
Yeah.
they're like famous for some mushrooms. So we rated on mushrooms. So the chips are how many mushrooms? Out of 5 mushrooms.
5.
You rated them at 5 out of 5 mushrooms.
Yes, 5.
How about the chocolate? This one.
That
The
one?
ones we ate already.
I think I would give it like a 4 or 5 mushrooms.
Okay. I would do 4 for the chips and 5 for the chocolate.
Yeah, both of them are really good. All right,
Next is this.
the Koperink Kataryski. I don't know. Named after the Polish astronomer, the Bakery produces the best gingerbreads in Poland. These gingerbreads, affectionately named Katarzyski, are a common holiday tradition.
Oh, well, it's Valentine's Day. Ooh, they smell so good. Like a gingerbread cookie would smell. And they're thick.
Oh, they do look so thick. Ooh, that's what I heard. It looks like they have a little bit like a sugar or cinnamon on it.
They're like soft too.
Oh, they smell so good.
Oh. Are dry.
Are they supposed to be dry?
I think so. But good with like some milk or coffee or...
Maybe. I don't really like this one as much. But
No.
I think I'll still give it a 3 out of 5 mushrooms.
No, 2. I don't like that.
Not that bad, but I don't like it.
Okay.
Alright, the Perink Sears. Classic Polish gingerbread treat made from a 700 years old recipe, a timeless heart-shaped snack.
I love that it's heart-shaped for Valentine's Day.
I
Also gingerbread though.
Like, I believe...
Has like a frosting on it.
Yeah, it feels like a little bit of this box is like Valentine's Day.
Listen.
Oh, I think that's gonna be hard.
No, it has like a shell on it. You have to do it with your nail. Don't bite it, break it. Don't bite it, break it.
Break. Oh, break, it's hard. Oh.
Oh, it's very dry like the other one.
How would you eat this?
Oops. Cheers. Oh, it's not bad when you put it in your mouth.
It's not bad.
Mm-mm.
I give it a 3.
This one's way better.
Yeah, this one is way
Than
better
this
than
one.
this one. Yeah, I agree. I give that one a 3 out of 5. I actually changed my mind about this one. 1.
Okay.
Prince Polo wafer, the most popular wafer bar in Poland, featuring layers of crunchy wafer sandwiched together with chocolate cream, then coated in milk chocolate. I don't know if I like wafers, but we'll see. Oh, it says classic right there. That's why they're classic. You smell like anything?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Kind of, because sometimes all chocolate bars are like, it smells like
Oh,
chocolate.
it looks good on the inside though. Here.
Oh, it smells like a little bit like Hershey Kisses.
Okay, try it.
That's actually really good.
Is it?
Mm.
I'll try it.
Just like a crunchy chocolate bar.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I got one of those for Halloween.
You have one now.
What do you rate that one out of?
Out of mushrooms?
Yeah, out of mushrooms.
Probably a 4.
A 4?
Mm-hmm.
3.
The first chocolate bar is my favorite so far. Out of the chocolates. We don't have those.
Can I just read it though?
Hold on.
Can I just read it?
Yeah, so there's other size boxes in the other boxes.
First, there's the original.
This is the original, so it comes with all these extra stuff. We only got the mini because there's
the
only...
Princessa Zebra, a friendly rival to the famous Prince Polo brand. Layers of rich chocolate wafer sandwiched together with sweet milk cream. A perfect combination of milk and chocolate in every single bite. And then the Jetski Cocos Bar. A crunchy coconut cookie bar coated with caramel, crispy rice, and dipped in chocolate.
Are you still reading ones we don't have?
Yeah. Jetski translates to hedgehog, but don't worry, no hedgehogs are harmed to process and make the snack. And then the Kupik Waffle Rizo. Wait, where's the Doritos? Cheetos, I mean.
I don't know.
Wait, no, Mommy, this is the Cheetos come from the premium box.
Oh, well, but all this stuff comes in the premium box.
Wait, is the premium box come with a drink?
No,
Yes, it does.
it's a drink.
Oh wait, how can you get the drink?
You have to order it separate. All right.
The
Oh, these are cool.
The Cheeto spirals. Spiral-shaped corn snacks combining the irresistible taste of American creamy cheese with the zesty tang of ketchup, an American classic with a Polish twist. When is our next one?
Oh my god.
The original?
These are so good.
Is the next one that we're gonna get original?
I don't remember. Best one ever.
Best ever.
Mm-hmm. I could eat this whole bag.
Huh?
I could eat this whole bag.
Same.
They're like soft. Not like
Hard?
not hard at all.
Like soft and crunchy at the same time.
Mm-hmm. So good.
What would you rate that out of mushrooms?
Like the highest possible 5 you could ever give it.
Same. I would give it like a 1 million out of 5.
Mm-hmm. All right, well, that's our box from Poland. We'll be back with another one soon.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified when new videos come out.
Did you need to say the name of our channel?
The
Welcome back to our channel. We are
This Family Adventure.
the who? The what? Oh god.
I said
Who are you?
The Happy Family Adventure. Bye.